Are you looking for a credit card in the UAE? Deem Finance offers some fantastic options that you should consider. But how do you apply and what are the eligibility criteria? Stay tuned as we break it all down for you. First, let's talk about Deem Finance. It's a non-banking financial institution in the UAE providing personal loans, credit cards, and other financial solutions. They are known for their flexible offerings and quick approval process. Deem Finance offers various credit cards tailored to different needs. Here are some popular options. Deem Mastercard Titanium Credit Card. The salary requirement is minimum 5,000 per month. Deem Mastercard Platinum Credit Card. Salary requirement is minimum 10,000 dirham per month. And Deem Mastercard World Credit Card, and the salary requirement is minimum 25,000 dirham per month. So if we talk about the benefits that each credit card gives, salary requirement is already we have talked. The other advantage that you get is first year is free under Titanium card, whereas under Platinum and World card there is no annual fee at all. Under Titanium card, 10 plus lounges in the Middle East and the Levant. Under Platinum card, 25 plus lounges in the Middle East and the Levant, and under World card, 1000 plus lounges worldwide. And if you do hotel bookings from booking.com, hotel discounts are up to 10% under all of these three cards. Car rental discounts is also given if you book a car from Avis and rentalcars.com. In Titanium card, you get 20% discount from Avis and 10% from rentalcars.com. Same is under Platinum card. Whereas under World card, rental car discount is up to 35% from Avis and 10% from rentalcars.com. Travel booking discounts are also provided if it's done from Clear Trip. The discount is up to 30% under Platinum credit card and 10% under World card. And there is no discount from Clear Trip on travel bookings under Titanium card. Similarly, luxury fashion discounts are available under Platinum and World card up to 10%. Complimentary valet parking is available under Platinum and World card. Travel insurance is only available under World card. Some additional perks are also available. Under Titanium card, you get reward points on all of your spends. Under Platinum card, there is purchase protection and extended warranty. Whereas under World card, you get free 2-year premium membership of MyUS. Interest rate is charged on cash transaction and the interest rate is up to 3.75% per month. Now let's discuss the key requirements to apply for a Deem Finance credit card. You need to meet the criteria of age. The minimum age is 21 years old. The minimum salary, as we have already talked, it's according to the card that you want to make. Minimum salary is 5,000 for Titanium, 10,000 for Platinum and 25,000 for World card. UAE residency is must. Credit history. A good credit score is required. Deem Finance checks the past records of loans, late payments and repayments to ensure that you can pay your credit card bill on time. Salary account is mandatory, that you should have a salary account with Deem Finance. If we talk about documents required to make credit card includes resident visa and a copy of your passport if you are an expat. Salary certificate stamped by your employer for salaried employees. Bank statement for the last 3 to 6 months. Utility bills as an address proof. Trade license. This requirement is for business owners. And valid Emirates ID. Here is an exciting offer from Deem Finance. Simply spend 100 dirhams for an entry into the lucky draw of 100,000 dirhams every week. Every additional 100 dirham you spend will give you another shot to become the weekly winner. So the more you spend, the better your chances. Did you know your Deem Titanium and Platinum credit cards are insured with Deem Double Secure? This plan protects your credit card's outstanding balance and provides coverage in case of critical illness or death. It also offers 10% of your credit card's outstanding balance in case of involuntary job loss, along with accidental benefits such as hospital cash and ambulance fare coverage. And that's everything you need to know about Deem Finance credit cards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more personal finance tips in the UAE. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care.